Hi coders, this is Let Me Code C.
Here we just saw what is arithmetic operator and how it works. Then we're going to see about what is relational operator. Then how it uses. Here relational operator is just it used to see or compare the relations among the expressions. Right? Relations among the expressions. So how it is classified? It classified as 6 types. So first thing is less than, then greater than, then less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, then not equal to. Let us see with an example. Here we opened our code editor. Same our first line gives our header files. Then line number 3 int main with the return function int, then return 0. Okay, let us dive into our code. So here I am declaring two variables. So the first thing is int a equal to what is say age. Okay, then int b equal to I am using 6. Same, I am using the printf function to see the difference between them. Same, I'm using the modulus d format. Why modulus d format? First thing we need to know here in relational operators, it just gives us a output true or false because it says our expression relation or comparison is true or false. Okay, let's come to our point. In line number 7, I'm using the modulus d format, right? So I'm said it gives an boolean values just true or false. Then how can I use modulus d format, right? The first thing we need to know in computer language, 1 determines true, then 0 determines false. Okay, so here in our output, there is only an two values. One is 0 or another one is 1. Just try this. So first is D. A greater than B is true or false. So first thing we need to say less than factor, right? Okay, I'm using A less than B. Here A value is 8. Just determine these values. A value is 8. It's less than 6. What will be the output? It says false, right? So false means 0. Okay, try to run this. It says zeros, right? Our program goes in a good way. So same I'm using /n operator to use the next line. So here I'm using /n operator to go to the next line. Okay, then our next operator is greater than. Same I'm using %d format. A greater than B. That means how it implies 8 greater than 6 or not. Here 8 greater than 6, yes, it is true. So true means it indicates 1. Let us check. Yes, it says true. Okay guys, just I'm erasing this because next we're going to see less than equal to or greater than equal to. Why I am using less than equal to or greater than equal to? In such cases, if our both the values are in same value means it does not give it gives both true for less than operator and greater than operator, right? So I'm going to check this with the correct format so that our library function included less than equal to or greater than equal to. Same I'm using %d format. I'm says a less than or equal to b, less than or equal to b. What will be the output? Okay, a value means 8 less than or equal to 8. It is true or false? True. Why? Both are equal. Okay, I'm trying to run this. True means what it gives? 1. It gives 1. If I'm put a as 10. Then here it can be changed to 10 less than or equal to 8. It is true or false? False. So it will give 0. Okay, in our next condition I am going to check greater than function. I am using same percentage format, a greater than or equal to b. So in this case it determines 10 greater than or equal to 8. It is true or false? True. Why? Because 10 is greater than 8, right? So true means it indicates 1. So before print this I am using same printf function. So to construct the compiler, print the next output on the next line. So I am using /n operator. So running this, as it gives true. So here PC less than greater than less than equal to greater than equal to. Then we using double equal to and not equal to. So what are those cases means? Here double equal to used to check whether the two values are equal. But in real life we used to say single equal to, right? In line number 7, just see a equal to 10. So we are using single equal to as an assignment operator. So we can't use to check the both values are true with the equal to operator. So that in computer languages they are using double equal to check if the two values are equal or not. Let us try this. Okay, so I'm using same printf function modulus d a double equal to b. It is true or not? So what it implies? 10 double equal to 8. It is false. Yes. If I changes the b value to the 10, what it shows? 10 is double equal to 10 or not? It is equal. Right. Then entering into the next operator, that is not equal to. So in such cases we just check both the values are equal or not. So in our next cases we going to check if both the values should be not equal. Just understand, should be not equal. So if I'm using same b equal to 8, here I just changes a is not equal to b. That means both the values should not mean equal to. So here not equal to 8. So 10 is not equal to 8. It is true or false? True, because 10 is greater than 8, 8 is lesser than 10. So I'm going to run this. Yes, true. So here we successfully finished our relational operators.